And welcome to my channel. My name is Anthony Johnson. Someone recently asked me a really good question. How did you get into project management, especially when you started out in electrical engineering technology? Well, let me take you back to where it all began. I was working for a marine and industrial applications manufacturer company, starting out in technical support. And I had my hands deep in the technical world, supporting systems, solving issues, but I always felt this tug to do more, to grow beyond the bench. And around that same time in 2002, I began pursuing a bachelor's degree program at Alberta's Magnus College. It was during this program that a professor, one who truly left a lasting impact on me, Professor Howard Farrow, introduced a new perspective that would change the course of my career. During one of our classes on organizational culture, he began speaking about the power of stepping up when opportunity knocks. He emphasized something that stuck with me. Don't let fear keep you from growth. Don't let fear keep you from growth. He explained that when you're offered a new role, even one that feels bigger than you, say yes and grow with it. And he pointed out something simple yet profound. You see, financially, a 3% raise on a higher salary is a lot better than a 3% raise on a lower one. Simple math, but powerful advice. And then he said something else that caught my full attention. He talked about two career paths he believed were going to grow in demand and value. It was project facilitators and project managers. When I heard those words, something clicked inside me. I realized that while I appreciated technology, I didn't want to spend my life solely at the bench troubleshooting circuits. I enjoyed organizing the work, facilitating change, understanding the technical details just enough to bridge the gap between engineering and business. See, I loved being the person who could help move ideas from a concept to a real product launch. That's when I started to lean into the idea of project management. At the company where I worked, I began to look for ways to move beyond technical support. I transitioned into documentation control specialist work, facilitating engineering change orders, coordinating product updates, and helping streamline processes for concepts to release. In the meantime, I continued building my foundation. By 2004, I graduated with my bachelor's degree in management. And it was that combination of real world experience in facilitation and a degree in management that opened the next door. I moved into another organization where I actually worked together to redefine and create a brand new role focused on engineering project facilitation. That was another turning point, building the kind of role I aspire to step into and having a leadership support to make it real. At the same time, I continued pushing forward academically, completing my master's degree in management at Alberta's Magnus College. And it was that blend of academic knowledge and hands-on experience and persistence that finally transitioned me into formal project manager roles. Looking back, it wasn't just one big leap. It was a series of deliberate steps, saying yes to growth opportunities, being willing to reshape my career path, building skills both inside and outside the classroom, and believing that I could bridge my love for technology with my passion for leadership and organization. And that's how I moved from the technical world into the world of project management, and why I'm so passionate about it today. I hope this answers the question of how and why I transitioned and moved into project management, how I decided to pursue project management. All right, I hope this is encouraging. And as always, be encouraged, be true to yourself, and be the best